Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your password to your Roblox account. So if you've been using Roblox for a certain while with a certain password but don't feel the password is secure enough for you, or you might have potentially the chance of forgetting the password, or for any other reasons want to change the password to your Roblox account, today I'm going to show you how exactly you can do that. So for this, first of all, head over to your Chrome or any web browser and then go to roblox.com. As you go to roblox.com, make sure that you're also already logged into your account. If you're already logged in, you will likely land on an interface that looks like this. Now here you can see that on the top right corner there's a settings icon. Tap on the settings icon and then select settings. After selecting settings, you will now be directed towards a page that will give you your account information, where you can see your display name, username and password. Tap on the edit option besides the password. After you do that, you have to enter your current password over here. So enter the current password, and after doing that, also set up a new password. Confirm the password by retyping it again and then tap on the update button. So here it says that you have successfully changed your password. So tap on OK. So this is basically how you can change your password to the Roblox account. It's quite a simple process. Make sure that you follow the step-by-step instructions and don't miss out on any of the single steps. I hope that this video has been able to guide you through the process. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of the future tutorial videos by App Guide. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.